Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH Sunday Bytes. Basically, what does we do? We say a couple of free courses, right, which is widely essential in the market. So today we have API Security Certified Associate. This is certifications we have that you're going to get it for free. So watch this video till the end so that you can get entire information, how to get access, what are things you are going to get in this course, how to apply, what are things you're going to learn, and everything which is associated. Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship, check the below URLs, right? Now, what you will learn in this course, right? So there's a course, after completion, you will get a certificate. So first thing is you'll learn real world API hacking and defense. Then you'll learn how to enumerate the API and the consonance process. You'll know how the authentication and authorization flow work. What is BOLA and IDOR attacks? BOLA is very important, by the way. Next is MIAS assignment and business logical issue. Then SSRF and API based techniques. And then you'll know how to block and defend APIs like a pro, right? So these are the very important topics you can cover out in this course. Whom this course is for? This is for the cybersecurity beginners who are starting the cybersecurity journey, ethical hackers, so-called ethical hackers, and bug bounty hunters, AppSec and DevOps engineers, and then developers who want to secure APIs. Anyone who is planning to start a career in the cybersecurity, right? So this is what you're going to learn this in this course, in this certification. So now I'm going to tell you how to access this course, right? All right. So this is a website from where you can access. This is from valaram.thinkific.com is the mail, right? This is a domain, right? And guys, just let me know if you want the link. If you can see it from here, it's good to go. But if you want link from my side, just let me know. I'll send in the comment box. So this is course transform API security from theory into real world experience, API security and all those things you can see. API security certified associate. There is 3 chapters, 21 lessons, right? Let's click on enroll for free. Right now it's free. You can directly click on the link and you can see here. Let me do some steps. Yes, so this is what you can see. This is how you can access a whole course. Once you click, you'll be able to see all those things. First, there is welcome, the introduction. Then you'll get to know how to set up the labs. And the good part is you'll be having a lab from where you do, right? Then they will say tell you how to set up on security edges and set up postman. Then you will know how to practically attack the APIs, right? Once it's done, there will be a small question. There will be yes, you need to submit assignment as well because they're going to give you tasks and they want to make it very practical, right? So you can submit the task and then once you submit it, you'll get your certificate, right? So this is very valuable certifications and I highly recommend everyone to do, right? So that's what we have, right? And meanwhile, if you're looking for training of internship program on SOC and web application pen testing, you can check out the URLs, right? This is for SOC. Okay, it will be starting from day after tomorrow, and this is for web application pen testing. It will be starting after 15 days. So guys, you're going to learn a lot of things practically here because like courses, you can get it for free, but value will get only when you have a mentor, right? So you can get it from here. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.